Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Steam "You have made too many requests" error. So if Steam keeps blocking you from logging in or verifying your account, follow along step by step to solve it. Alright, let's dive in. First, close Steam completely on your computer. Make sure it's not running in the background. Right-click the Steam icon in the taskbar and press Exit. Now, the most important thing, stop trying to log in again and again. This error appears because Steam detected too many requests from your internet connection, and every new attempt resets the timer, so wait at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before trying again. While waiting, we can speed up the fix. Restart your internet router. Turn off your Wi-Fi router, wait about 5 minutes, then turn it back on and reconnect your PC to the internet. This gives you a new IP address, and Steam will treat you like a new connection. Next, if you are using a VPN, turn it off. Steam often blocks VPN traffic, which causes this error instantly. After disabling it, open Steam again and try logging in once. If the error still appears, we'll reset the Steam connection cache. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type steam://flush_config, then press OK. Steam will restart and ask you to log in again. You can also try using a different network like mobile hotspot just for the first login. After it works, you can go back to your normal Wi-Fi. And that's it. The error isn't a ban, it's only a temporary security cooldown, and these steps will remove it in most cases. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And if you still have the problem, leave a comment and I'll try to help you.